I saved my son by getting full custody as a single dad. My ex-wife filed for divorce after my accident left me with one leg. We agreed I could visit our son, now 7, anytime, but no overnights until I improved my living situation. That changed when my son called me crying. He said his mom's boyfriend's kids mocked him for wanting therapy and played a game where they covered his face with a pillow and sat on it until he played dead. When I asked my ex about it, she dismissed it as roughhousing, saying her boyfriend runs the house and my son just didn't know how to play. I also learned her boyfriend took my son's phone because he wouldn't rub his feet as a chore. No child should ever be forced to touch someone they don't want to, and calling it a chore felt predatory. When I confronted her, her boyfriend laughed, saying, "Take your sissy son back to the trailer park." My ex just stood there. It was clear she was more focused on her new relationship than our son's well-being. I filed for emergency custody. At the hearing, she showed up with her boyfriend and his kids, but ignored our son entirely, laughing and playing with the boyfriend's kids. My son looked heartbroken and asked me, "Why is mom picking them?" It shattered me. She didn't contest custody, and now I have my son full-time. It hurts that his mom prioritized her boyfriend over him, but I'm relieved he's safe. Now, I'm focusing on rebuilding his trust and making him feel loved. My son deserves so much better, and I'll make sure he gets